G'day everyone, it's Warren from NQ Explorers on behalf of Garrett Australia with the all-new Garrett ACE 400i metal detector. The ACE 400i is one of my personal favourites. It's a true professional level relic, coin and jewellery detector. It comes with a large double D coil which allows you to go into quite mineralised soils here in Australia, all over the mainland and Tasmania, and get into the relics, coins and jewellery on the beaches, in the dry sand, in our parks, around old homesteads in the bush, old Cobb & Co change stations, and anywhere that you suspect relics and coins may be lurking. The big new feature on these ACE machines is the digital target ID. Similar to the AT Gold and the AT Pro, you now get a digital reading from 0 to 99 of the conductivity of the target you've detected. This allows you to discriminate iron from gold and lead, from bronze and copper and silver. In this way you get more information coming back to you from the machine, and you can make a decision whether or not to dig a target. It saves a lot of time and it's a really sophisticated feature. The ACE 400i has 5 factory preset modes, and it also has a custom mode that you can pre-program, and you can notch in or notch out undesirable or desirable targets as you feel. This way you can suit the machine, you can program the machine to the relic or coin area that you're hunting to suit the environment and what you expect to find when you get there. The ACE 400i comes with headphones, cover up and coil cover. The detector operates with just 4 AA batteries, which will give you 20 to 25 hours detecting. Okay, let's now have a look at the controls on the ACE 400i. First button we'll look at is the on-off button. This also controls the iron audio. As you can see, it displays the mode that we're in on the left. The pixels up the top lit are the detecting pixels. A battery meter with your battery condition, and the sensitivity setting in bars up to 8. The next button is the mode button. There are 4 factory presets and a custom mode that you can adjust yourself. So, zero discrimination, as you can see, all the pixels are lit. That means you'll detect all metals. Nothing is eliminated. You'll pick up all your iron right up to your silver. As you can see as I scroll down, jewelry mode removes all the ferrous items. Custom is however you like to set it. That was my last setting there. Relics takes out 15 points of iron. Coins takes out all the iron, and that little notch up in the 55 to 60 range, which is your ring pulls, your platypus tail ring pulls. Next button is sensitivity. That's fairly self-explanatory. It can be set from nothing to 8. Generally you want to run that about 7 or 6. You don't want it on 8. It could be too chattery most of the time. You run it as high as you can for the conditions you're operating in. Okay, as you can see now I'm in custom mode, and I'm going to accept and reject some notches from the upper pixel range there. To do this I use the discrim button. As you can see, it moves along, and using the tick cross key, the eliminate key, I can either remove or accept notches. This makes the machine user programmable for the conditions that you're operating in and the targets that you expect to find in that area. What you can hear now is a low tone target, and you'll notice that the target ID is a low number, 10, 12, 14, jumping around, indicating that is ferrous rubbish. This is a good example of the medium audio tone with a medium target ID. It's an example of a good high tone repeatable signal. It's an old timer's brass button, typical of what you might find in the Australian goldfields. You can see a good target ID there, high tone, and the pixels up the top corresponding to the number. The ACE 400i has a sophisticated new iron audio feature that allows you to audibly identify iron. When you switch this on, it'll identify low conductive iron with a distinctive grunty sound. I turn it on using the on-off switch. As you can hear, with this very distinctive iron sound. Now, the iron audio requires some discrimination to be set, so you can't use it in zero discrimination or in custom if you have all the pixels lit. You must have it in one of the modes where there are some ferrous targets eliminated. The new ACE is a high quality metal detector with some very advanced features that will ensure your success in hunting for coins, relics and jewellery.